So, Miele cooking, again, tested to last 15 to 20 years. The build quality is extremely good. This particular single oven is a high performance oven, so you'll need a 3.6 kilowatt feed to run it, so not on a plug, but on a standard cooker feed. This particular fella's 76 litres capacity, and they seem to make that, I would say, by the height internally. Externally normal size, but 76 litres, and it looks a little taller than normal. This particular model is pyro self-cleaning, so it uses extreme heat to clean itself. So you use it. Then whenever you're ready, you just put it on a pyro setting, leave it for an hour and a half or so, and the machine will simply clean itself. I wouldn't usually keep the brightware in there, it would discolour, so take that out first, put that in the dishwasher, whatever you do with that. As far as the product's concerned though, it's fully multifunction, so you've obviously got the fan oven, which is the popular form of cooking, but you've got conventional, you've got grilling, you've got eco-fan cooking, you've got defrosting, fan grilling, there's even an auto setting. I need to read the book to see what that does, but it cooks in most ways most people would want it to. Some other nice little touches in this box here, look, come out, was these telescopic shelves. Now these are very nice, as you can see it can bring the shelf right out to you, but it's quite strong. It'll easily take the weight of a a nice roast joint, so you can do what you need to do with your product and then just slide all away again. And they can be fitted at various levels. Comes with quite a nice lot of enamelled grill pans. This particular fellow's very nice, gets the air all around it in the fan system. A+ energy rating, and as far as the control panel's concerned, this is a deal on this particular model. You've obviously got a stainless steel trim here, you've got silver trim around the knobs. They also do a black trim version. That's a lovely product, typical Miele quality, and a nice size, high performance oven. It will get to temperature very quickly.